What's going on YouTube? It's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to find a profitable niche in affiliate marketing. So if you're in affiliate marketing, I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you guys some profitable niches that you can take place in or take part in or make money from or do whatever it is that you want to do around that. All right, so welcome. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on that bell notification, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well. On this channel, I always talk about how to make money, how to become a better person, and entrepreneurship and everything about that as well in a nutshell. So this video is going to explain to you how to pick a profitable niche in affiliate marketing. And before even to dive into things, I took some notes, I write some things down. So I want to make sure that I cover everything on here. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because this video will be packed with a lot of information. And I hope when you leave this video, you are more knowledgeable than when you arrive here. All right. So what I'm going to be talking about, how to pick a niche in affiliate marketing. As I said, there's tons and lots of different niches. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you pick a niche that you want to build a brand around, whether you want to create a blog, whether you want to create a website, YouTube channel, or any social media platform. Why? Because you want to think long term. At first, everybody is just here, they want to make money. And yeah, nothing is wrong with that. You can start off by, okay, I want to make a ton of money. But at the end of the day, you're going to lose your motivation, you're going to lose your drive, and you're going to lose your passion. And then you're going to figure out, okay, what do I do next? So you want to make sure that you pick something that you want to dive into. Now, there are so many different niches out there. There's so many different ways to make money, especially with affiliate marketing. You can go into music, you can go into weight loss, you can go into dating niche, right? You can go into biz app niche, and you can go into dog walking, right? Learn how to do coaching consulting, right? There's a whole different niches. If you go on ClickBank, you could see a ton of different niches and other network affiliate programs out there. So I'm not even going to go into deep dive down about that specific niche. But what I have to tell you is some key points that you're going to pick the perfect niche. Again, find something that you're passionate about, find something that you love, and something that you have interest in. And how does it work, right? You want to make sure that you pick something that's going to solve a problem. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you guys what are some of the, right? There's some main niches, there's sub niches, right? And I'm going to tell you the difference between main niche and sub niches. All right. So let me just jump into things. Let me just pull this up and start right away. So you have main niche. And what are main niche? Main niche are like, weight loss, dating, business opportunity, anything that you realize that there's tons of different people out there that are participating. That's what I considered main niche. All right, let's say fishing on a whole, right? Fishing is a niche. Now, you are going to get involved into the fishing industry, right? So this is the person right here. I'm going to draw some stickman, right? So this is the person right here. And this is you right here. I'm going to break this down to you guys as simple and easy as possible. So this is, right, here's the main niche, right? Main niche, this guy is over here. He wants to learn about fishing. So fishing is a huge niche. Now there's sub niches inside of fishing, right? There's, lines, reels, right? Rods, bait, all that kind of stuff. So you see what I'm doing? There is sub different niches in that. So just like real estate, right? You have people in the real estate industry, but you have painter, you have contractor, you have people who, tilers, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I was talking about sub niche, you have main niche, you have sub niche. Then you have weight loss product, right? You have weight loss product. Maybe you want to go into sub niches such as like, lose, X amount of weight in X amount of time. So you want to break it down a little bit. So let me just, I got some information written down here that I want to cover so I don't miss out on anything. So the first thing you want to do, right? This person right here is about fishing. This is you right here. This is you. You have the solution to this guy's problem. So now this guy he wants to figure out which bait he should use to catch a type of fish. Now, he has loads of bait in here, and he's going out there. He's trying to fish, but for some reason, other people are catching fish, but he's not getting the same fish. Hope you guys are with me so far. So this person right here, which is you have the solution to this guy's problem. So this right here, what you're going to do, all you have to do is do a little bit of exchange. He has the problem, right? You're going to advertise, whether, again, you remember I mentioned blogging, website, YouTube, Instagram, other social media platform that you want to advertise on, right? This guy is going to go and search while you over here advertising because he wants to get a specific bait and he has the problem, you have the solution. So he's going to come to you, you are going to exchange value, and guess what? This guy right here is now a happy person, right? So then when you do that exchange, all you have to do is tell him, hey, by the way, if you would like to know more about how you can get more fish than anybody else, I advise you to come over to this specific website or this link to learn more about how to get more fish. Because once you give him that solution and he's happy, he's like, hey, listen, I know the guy who actually gave me the bait to go and get more fish. As they always say, if you teach a man how to fish, he can never be hungry. But if you give a man a fish, he's going to starve to death. It's the same analogy that I'm doing right here, right? So if this guy figure out, okay, this man over here, he has the solution. I went to him. He solved my problem. So guess what? Whatever this guy says, I'm going to go. So then you have this call to action over here. Hey, by the way, I can show you how you can get more fish in less amount of time, right? Boom. He's going to come over here and he's going to check out what you have going on. Now, what you have going on could be a PDF, could be a video, could be an audio, could be something, which then lead them to your affiliate offer that you are trying to promote or you're trying to sell. Are you guys with me so far? Hope you guys are, because this right here is golden nuggets that I'm dropping. All right. So this is where they're going to go watch whatever offer that it is. And then this is where they're going to sign up to make that initial purchase. Right. So how are you going to break down main niche from sub niche? Right. So this is the main niche. Main niche is fishing. Sub niche is this guy right here need a specific bait. Right. So this is sub niche. So what you did, you had the solution. You gave him the perfect bait for him to realize that, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. So that's why he's coming back to you. It's a call to action. So that's why you see people when they give value and all that kind of stuff, especially in webinars and all that kind of stuff, they say, by the way, hey, check out the link down below. And just by saying check down below, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm giving you guys a plug. If you guys want to learn more about how to do these kind of things, check out the link down below to get my #1 recommendation. And this is where I learned all these that I'm teaching you and other things on on my YouTube channel and more. So if you guys really want to know how to learn more about online marketing, then most definitely you want to check out that link down below. All right. So that's what it is. You always want to find people who have a problem, who have a question, or who needs advice. Those are the three key things that I've learned so far. Again, if they have a problem, if they have a question, or if they need advice. Once you realize that, you can specifically start to target your people, your audience. So that's how it works. So I'm just going to clean this off for a little bit and then show you guys, a couple more things so you guys can have a full understanding. So let's go with this again. Let's say you're in the weight loss industry, right? Weight loss industry, and you're in the health and wellness, huge niche, right? Again, health and wellness would be a main niche. Now, again, you want to sub niche that specific thing. Now, you don't have to be a person who's jacked, who have a ton of muscles, who look like, Arnold, or look like some huge bodybuilder, or, other people out there. You don't have to be. But what you could do is, if you know how to find a solution to a problem, you're in it. So again, you can create your own blog website around health and wellness. But what if you want to target moms, right? There we go again. That is a sub niche, right? So health and wellness, you want to target moms. What type of moms do you want to target? Moms who just have kids, right? So let's say you want to target mom who have kids under 1 year old, right? This is probably the moms who you want to target. Now, how many moms do you think out there that have kids under 1 year old? Come on now. Only in the US alone, there's millions of people, especially worldwide, lots of people. So that's what you do. Health and wellness, you target moms, and then you want to go with moms who have kids under the age of 1 year old, right? So when you write your ad copy or whatever it is that you're going to advertise, maybe you could say like, right, whatever it is, that you never want to use the word you. You want to always want to use the word I, especially when you do any form of advertising, because it's more personal that you're using you as the person. Not you, but you want to say I this, I that, you never want to say you. Or you could say my wife, my sister, yada, yada, yada. That's okay. But you never want to say, well, you got to lose 7 pounds. And if you're a mom under the age of 25 and you have a 1 year old kid, you need to get this weight loss product now. No, because the reader is going to be like, yo, bro, are you talking to me? Exactly. You don't want to be that way, right? So you definitely want to use I, or, you want to kind of craft your words a little bit. Don't stress about you. Just say I. Then you want to structure your ad copy around that. It's the same thing with dating niche, or it's the same thing with make money online niche. That is my niche. Again, you want to pick sub niche, right? People always say, I want to find people who want to make money. There's everybody online want to make money. Everybody want to make money. Bill Gates want to make more money. Jeff Bezos want to make money. It is normal. And I said this all the time. Everybody want to know how to make money. You just got to make sure that you find people who have a problem. Again, find the people who say, hey, I have a problem. I have a question. I need advice. That's the people you want to target. Once you know how to target those people, you'll be in business for a very long time. So I hope this video helps, and like, subscribe, smash that bell notification, and that's how you guys are going to find the perfect niche and the most profitable niche. Pick something that you love, pick something that you're passionate about. Don't just do it because, you want to make money. think about a long term, something that you want to do for a long time, because entrepreneurship is just not a walk in the park. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.